Welcome to Creating Your Wealth Possible, your go-to destination for learning how to grow your money, build real wealth, and take control of your financial future. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by investing, unsure about saving, or confused about how to make your money work for you, you're in the right place. This channel is here to break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow, no matter where you are in life or how much experience you have with money. I created this channel with one goal in mind: to help everyday people make smarter financial decisions that create long-term results. Whether you're just starting your first job, paying off debt, planning for a big purchase, or preparing for retirement, the strategies and tips I share are designed to be practical, easy to understand, and applicable to your daily life. You don't need to be a financial expert, and you don't need a huge income to start building wealth. All it takes is the right mindset, consistent action, and a little guidance to get you on the path to financial freedom. On this channel, you'll find a wide range of topics that cover every aspect of personal finance. We'll explore investing for beginners, showing you how to start small, understand risk, and grow your money over time. You'll learn about smart saving strategies, budgeting techniques that actually work, and ways to maximize the money you already have. We'll also dive into financial planning, understanding debt, building passive income streams, and creating habits that support wealth accumulation. Every video is focused on giving you practical advice you can apply immediately without confusing jargon or unnecessary complexity. I know that managing money can sometimes feel intimidating or even stressful. That's why one of the main goals of this channel is to make finance approachable. You don't have to feel overwhelmed by charts, numbers, or technical terms. Instead, I break everything down into clear steps, real-world examples, and actionable tips that anyone can implement. Whether you want to save for a home, invest for retirement, or simply feel more confident about your finances, the lessons on this channel are designed to empower you to take control of your money and your future. One of the most important lessons I want to share is that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about chasing quick wins or trying to get rich overnight. True financial growth comes from consistent, informed decisions over time. Starting early, investing regularly, and making smart financial choices every day will compound into results that can change your life. Even small steps, taken consistently, can lead to significant progress over the years. This is the philosophy at the heart of creating your wealth possible: actionable guidance, patience, and steady progress. I also want to emphasize that this channel is for anyone, regardless of your starting point. You don't need to have a large salary, a perfect budget, or a financial background to benefit from these lessons. The strategies I share are designed for beginners and experienced learners alike. We cover both simple concepts and more advanced topics, so you can grow with the channel as your knowledge and confidence increase. My goal is to make you feel empowered, capable, and ready to take control of your financial future, no matter where you are today. By subscribing to Creating Your Wealth Possible, you'll join a community of people who are committed to improving their financial knowledge and building real wealth step by step. Each video is crafted to provide you with clear, actionable advice that you can implement immediately, helping you take control of your money, make smarter choices, and achieve your long-term goals. From investing and saving to financial planning and mindset strategies, this channel is your roadmap to financial literacy, independence, and freedom. So if you're ready to take the first step toward a stronger financial future, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Together, we'll break down financial barriers, learn practical strategies, and start building wealth that lasts. Welcome to Creating Your Wealth Possible. Let's take control of your money, grow your wealth, and create the life you've always wanted.